want to get the word out. About a week before the open house, be sure to let your friends and coworkers know about the event. Leverage social media posts as well. Second, be mindful of first impressions. Make sure the entrance is warm and inviting, with plants, wreaths, or other tasteful and welcoming touches. Make sure the home, especially the kitchen and the bathrooms, are clean and clutter-free. Third, share your testimonial about living in the home. You can record a short video or write a note to leave on the kitchen counter. Your agent can share this with potential buyers. Fourth, have some soft music playing during the open house or light soft scented candles. Finally, about 24 hours before the event, place several directional signs pointing in the direction of your home. You can even decorate these signs with balloons and other accoutrements. An open house is exciting, and there is usually a lot at stake for the seller. Just relax, follow these tips, and work closely with your agent to ensure a successful open house. Good luck!
My name is Linda Heighthouse. Whether buying or selling real estate, let me put my experience to work for you.
Find the right house.